All right, this is Tom. I'm back. We're getting ready to put the motor back in this little shaky. So I got the motor all cleaned up, we're ready to go. I got a new air switch mounted on the box. Installed a brand new cord, so everything's safe. Before I did it, I reinstalled these are what we call panel nuts. Let me see if I can find one here. It's really hard to get. It's a special nut. 5/16. You slide them on there, and this is threaded here, so you don't gotta try to get your hand in an impossible spot to put the nut in. So got them installed. Put a couple new ones on. The old ones, put a little bit of WD-40 on them. This is the sliding adjuster plate. That goes in the back first. A little WD-40 on the threads to clean them up. And here's our adjuster bolt. And once again, a little bit of WD-40. So, I can try and set this here somewhere. Hopefully people can kind of see what I'm doing here. So, what I did, now that plate is now inside. There's the nut there, the bolt coming through. Oops. Leave it nice and loose, so there's lots of sliding, because we gotta do some wrestling. We gotta wrestle with this. We gotta wrestle this motor inside, and it's a bit of a chore. Okay, so. Alright, so we got the motor in there. Now the challenge is to line up, get the bolts and the motor and everything lined up. It's a challenge. So I find to do it best with a screwdriver. Line things up first there. I'm reaching inside. Hard to find sometimes. Okay. Cool. Try to use some new bolts. Okay, good. Got one started. This can be a bit of a challenge. Sometimes you gotta attempt it 2 or 3 different times. Okay, there's that one. Just get them barely to bite. And of course the third one isn't cooperating. The last one isn't going to cooperate for me. Yep. And of course it fell off, so I got to start over.